Hi, today we talk about PNP NPN sensor. How to identify this polarity sensitivity sensor. Let's start. Polarity sensitivity sensor including three kinds: 2-wire sensor, 3-wire sensor, 4-wire sensor. First, we talk about 2-wire sensor. 2-wire sensor look like this. It have 2 wires. One is brown, one is blue. Brown, okay. Most time is 2-wire sensor NPN sensor. NPN sensor is brown connection purity negative. Is blue connector power negative. So when target is detected, the sensor turn on. The conventional current flow from the positive of supply go to the PLC, then go to the brown, go to the blue, go back to the negative power supply. Is this turn on? Okay. This is NPN 2-wire is sinking sensor. Here, this is very popular. In the side, it's just remember brown. Most time it's connected PLC negative. Blue, most connection PLC. Is the blue most connection PLC is power negative. Okay. Is other one is sourcing sensor. 2-wire sourcing sensor use PNP transistor. When target is brown connection is power supply. Is blue connection PLC positive. Is power from here, go here, go here. Okay, you target the detector. Okay, this one is PNP transistor. Okay. When a target is detected and the sensor turn on, conventional current flows through the brown wire from the positive of the supply through the sensor out of the blue output wiring, then go to the PLC negative of the supply. This is a 2-wire NPN sensor. Okay. This is 3-wire sensor. 3-wire is how brown, blue, black. Brown connection to the power supply. Blue connection is negative of power supply. Is brown connection positive. Black just the connections node is PLC. Okay. 2-wire sensor is syncing like this. When the sensor is power on, the brown connection power positive, blue connection power negative. Is sensor power is on, turn on, sensor detect target, is everything is on. With current flow from here, go to the PLC positive, then go to the PLC negative from black, go to the sensor from blue wiring, out of the sensor go to the DC command. Okay, this one is PLC is sourcing. This one is sensor is syncing, is NPN transistor. The NPN output is always the negative PLC. This 2-wire sourcing sensor is brown connection to PLC power supply positive. Black connection PLC positive. And when the sensor is turned on power, is the sensor contactor detector the target, is turned on sensor, is current flow from the brown go to the sensor, from black is on, come out, go to the PLC positive. Then from PLC negative, come to the DC common. Okay, is blue is power, is go to the DC common. This one is sensor is sourcing, PLC is syncing. Sensor is sourcing is PNP transistor is the sensor. Okay, sourcing sensor PNP transistor. It's a 3-wire. Yeah, it's the in the 3 wiring. This sensor is very popular. Just remember, brown connection power positive, blue connection DC common. Okay, black sometimes common, sometimes go to the PLC negative, sometimes go to the PLC positive, depending on what's the sensor syncing and sourcing. If your syncing connection positive, if the sourcing connection to the syncing is connection negative, is the sourcing connection positive. Okay, this 4-wire sensor is have brown, blue, white, is black. Is brown connection to the positive of power. Blue is common of the power. So is black is normal open. Is white is normal closed. In 3-wire sensor always black connection PLC normal open. Okay. 4-wire syncing sensor is look like this. This power from here. Okay, first go to the PLC, then go to the sensor. Sensor is syncing. This PLC is sourcing. Is black, go to normal open. White is normal close. So the detector is on. From here go here. Okay, is black normal open connection PLC negative. White normal close connect PLC negative. Is blue is still connection power supply is common. Okay, this one is sourcing sensor, 4-wire sourcing sensor. Brown connection power supply is positive. Blue connection common of power supply is current flow from brown go to the sensor, then go from the blue go to the common. Also is his contactor detector the target is black normal open, go to the PLC, is go to the positive, is connection black normal open, connection PLC positive. White normal close, connection PLC positive. Okay, is PLC negative, connection to the ground blue common. Okay, power common. That's a 4-wire sensor. Is this sensor is sourcing, so it's sourcing is PNP. Okay, sensor. This syncing is NPN sensor. Okay, so sometimes we know is we got some sensor, but we don't know it's the NPN or is PNP. We can test. First, we connection power 24 volts DC, from brown connection positive, blue connection negative. Then we use a multimeter. One net touches the black output, other one multimeter touches the brown wiring. If is turn on, if target is sensor detect target, is voltage multimeter have voltage, that means it's the NPN sensor. If your is a multimeter connection blue wiring on connection, if the detector the target, that means it's the PNP sensor. Okay, this one is the multimeter look like PLC. If you think that look like PLC, if your NPN sensor here have power, is from powers is source, it's thinking is NPN, so is working. Okay, but if your NPN sensor multimeter touch black, other lead touch the blue, is nothing. Okay, 0 watts. Just here have watts. Okay, here the same thing is the PNP sensor is like source thing. Look like it's a sourcing sensor. Okay, it's the multimeter look like a PLC node. Okay, it's thinking. If you just blue touch and one letter touch blue and one letter touch output have volts, that means PNP. So you should remember is NPN is black wiring, the output is negative. Is PNP is black wiring, output is positive. That's it. Okay, all these 2-wire sensor, 3-wire sensor, 4-wire sensor. Most time we use very popular is 3-wire sensor. Okay, thank you very much.